Canada's workplaces are a multicultural setting these days, but not everyone has the right people skills to succeed in that arena.
My trust meter is dropped.
This free game could help change that. TalentNet promises to train managers to deal with people of different cultural backgrounds.
Well, the prime purpose of the tool itself is to help supervisors and managers deal with the nuances of a changing workforce and the diverse cultural backgrounds that we're experiencing in Canada now. It's a free tool that's been sponsored in part by the government.
The player is a manager, a new manager, who's been assigned a group of resources, 7 people, and they, just like in the real world, you're a new manager, you join a department and you're assigned a team. And you have to get to know the team and then assign them projects and get them to complete the projects. As you can see here, like you can think of Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or all of those things. There's various tabs on the screen. And really what it is when you're the new manager, you have to get to know the team. And in the same way in the game, as the player, you have to get to know these characters that are in the game. And just like in the real world, when you first meet a bunch of people, especially in the workplace, people are a little bit guarded. Different people have different personalities, different reactions, and you have to get to know them. And so in the game, you can click on these different character profiles, and then you can chat with them, just like you would in a social networking interface.
The game is based on the observations and opinions of immigrants trying to succeed in workplaces across Canada. Linda Manning conducted that research.
And what we found is that the need to identify high potential employees to train and develop for management, immigrants were often being overlooked. So not only were they being overlooked for promotion, but they were even being overlooked for development and promotion and development and training into promotions. And so we interviewed highly skilled immigrants, human resource professionals, managers across Ontario and Quebec in French and English, in small towns and big towns across Ontario and Quebec. And what we did was we asked them questions like, what's going on in the workplace? What are the practices that you observe? What are the behaviors that you see with managers and with colleagues? And you'd be amazed at how much similarity there was in the stories that we heard.
So what exactly can managers expect to learn from playing this game?
Share more information with you.
I think the short answer would be soft skills, and as I said earlier, dealing with the nuances of engaging people in respecting their cultural backgrounds, making them more effective, making them comfortable, making them more productive, and overcoming paradigms that currently exist in the workplace about different cultural backgrounds.
Here is Nafisa, who is the R&D chemist, and we decided to talk about work at her desk, and we're asking her about her work history. So it's really what the game is actually suggesting is that the player be aware that even talking about a certain topic at a certain location has an impact on a character's trust.
TalentNet is already available in English, and a French version is coming in January. Players can access it at www.leadershipdiversity.ca. For itbusiness.ca, I'm Brian Jackson.